I eat yours. Oh, ew. Now my plate looks like throw up. You can't just throw the sandwich across the room. My mouth is on fire. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kadi and Corwin here, and in today's video we're going to be trying out
Weird food combination. Weird food combination.
And in today's video we are going to be trying out weird food combinations. So for the first weird food combination, we're gonna be trying, don't start yet! We're eating ketchup and apples. Corwin just ruined it. It's not that bad. Weird tang to it.
Not for me.
Honestly, I don't really mind it that bad. I probably won't eat all of these, but I ate this one.
That was not for me. I'm excited for this one. Looks pretty good.
Eating flaming hot Cheetos and mustard. I've actually never eaten a flaming hot Cheeto before.
You're missing out, girlfriend.
My mouth is on fire. It's not too bad. I actually kind of like it.
All I taste is the Cheetos. About to smack this whole plate. This is good.
These are freaking spicy though.
You don't think they're spicy?
I'm gonna have to get a glass of water. Boy. Oh, I got it. Little fishy, little fish, little fishy.
And done.
Alright, so for the next food combination, we have a peanut butter and pickle sandwich. I don't think I'm gonna hate this, actually. I like this.
It's alright.
I eat yours.
Watch out, boys. We got a heifer in the house. Next combo.
I want a little more ice cream. Hurry up before my ice cream melts. So for the next food combination, we have pickles and ice cream.
I'm really dreading this one.
Okay, let's dig in.
This looks gross.
Mmm.
That's not right.
No, literally, this is actually so good. This is like actually really good.
Kadi on every combo. I don't know about this.
Oh my god, it's so good.
And then you get like pickle juice in there too, and it's like even like better. Chisel, chisel, my pickle, pickle, pickle. You sickle. Here it comes. Oh, there it went. Corwin, that almost landed on my toe. So for the next, you okay? Oh my gosh, are you okay? Here, I know it'll make you feel better. A Snickers pickle. For the next, I wanted this one.
You can't even see me.
Yes, you can.
You can't look at me.
I guess you can. For the next weird food combination, we're gonna be eating pickles and Snickers.
Oh. I'm excited for this one.
I'm not excited for this one.
I don't know. Snickers kind of.
That is so gross. Too many pickles. Ugh. Now my plate looks like throw up. So next up on our list, chips and pudding. Like, I don't know, man. Like,
That has a bland taste.
I literally have no idea what to say for this one.
You can't really taste anything. It's not bad. I'm not really a fan of pudding either.
Yeah, neither am I, honestly.
Next combo.
Up next, Chips Ahoy cookies and orange juice. I'm not gonna like this one.
It's like milk and cookies, but it's like you throw the Uno reverse card on there. It's definitely not milk and cookies.
This is disgusting.
Alright.
No, this is so gross.
It's just like sweet and then more sweet. Next one. Oh, got that one.
My stomach is low-key hating me right now. And it's about to hate me even more now. Next thing we have is... I forgot the name of those fishes.
Nutella.
Nutella and goldfish. Alright, let's dig in. Stop! Is it good? I think I like this one.
Holy calamari. It's not that bad, but it's so dry.
Eating like a crunch bar.
It's not even bad. Dry like dirt. Pebbles in there.
I like it.
Next combo. I'm rooting for this one. This one
Next
looks
thing,
dank.
next thing on our list is Oreos and cream cheese, which is actually going to be amazing. There's already like cream cheese in the middle of these.
Alright, dip it in.
Oh yeah. Mmm.
Woo! That's fire. Girl. Next video. Wait. Next combo.
One strawberry for you. Yum. Up next we have strawberries wrapped with sliced cheese.
My stomach is a whirlwind of emotions right now.
My stomach is like cramping right now because I've just eaten bad food. But at least this one has fruit in it. Ew, my cheese is falling apart. Ew, the cheese is turning red.
Not too bad. A lot better than I thought it was going to be.
It doesn't taste awful. It kind of low-key tastes like strawberries and cream cheese. But it's still kind of grossing me out.
Mmm.
How many more do we have left?
6.
6?
Next combo.
Our next food items are barbecue chips and cottage cheese.
Oh, it's all warm.
Ew, it's warm. Ew, Gorman. Ew.
Disclaimer, I have this all the time for a snack, but this is probably going to be gross because it got all warm.
I think I've only had cottage cheese like once in my life. I don't think I've ever had it like plain. All chunky and warm.
Ooh, give me that.
It's not too bad.
That's good. Never go wrong with barbecue chips and cottage cheese, bro.
It's like chip dip.
I don't know.
Are you mad at me?
Keep it coming.
Time for the orange juice. Pick up your spoon. Next food item. Frosted Flakes and orange juice. That is not good.
Probably not the best.
That is awful. Get this away from me.
Probably one of the worst ones we've done today.
The pickle and Snickers one was awful. I think that's what made my stomach so upset right now. How are you still eating that?
Just imagine it's cereal.
Is that what you did at school lunch?
Mm-hmm. Boop. Boop.
Alright, the next thing we have is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with Doritos.
I'm excited for this one.
I am not excited for this one. Comboed out.
Hello, me.
We gotta bite into it. Oh, what just happened? Corbin, get up here.
Get out of here, boy. Alright.
3, 2, 1.
My God. Woo!
I can't really taste the Doritos. I can just taste the crunch.
PB&J with a crunch is fantastic.
Gray is not bad, but like, not in the mood for this right now. Here you go.
It's good.
Corbin, are you kidding me? Chloe, don't eat that! Chloe, stop! Chloe, come here! Corbin, you can't just throw the sandwich across the room. My little dog's gonna get sick.
That's combo. I didn't record any of that.
That's for not filming it the first time. That's yours. All done.
Yeah.
Oh, my stomach feels awful. Next up on our list, Miracle Whip and graham crackers. Except Corbin's looks like mashed up puke.
Can you see that?
No, you're not taking one.
This is Katie's, and that's mine.
Ew. Oh, that is so gross.
Definitely not my cup of tea. But next combo. Last one.
Finally is our last one. Next and final food combination we're going to be doing is applesauce and Doritos. The spicy nacho kind. Why would you do that? Me and Corwin are not a fan of applesauce.
Not too bad.
I think I need another taste. Here comes the train. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, go to my finger. Oh, we want to have a food fight? That concludes the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a lot of fun to make, but also my stomach is cramping inside right now, so I'm kind of glad it's over. Make sure that you like and subscribe down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.